Hey, what's up guys? Bibo here of YugaTech, and today we are taking a look at DooGee's latest phone, the S89 Pro. Some of you might not know about DooGee, but they are just one of the few smartphone brands that cater rugged type devices. And today, we are going to take a look at the S89 Pro, which is their latest model. So, let's see what's inside. First, we got this signature yellow box color, quite big for 2022. If you're interested in purchasing this one, we'll link it down below. Popping out the top cover, we got here the unit and covered with plastic. Then we got a bunch of stuff underneath here. First is the user manual, and I think the QR code is the digital version. Then we got a free screen protector. Interesting though that they separated it. But still, it's good to know we got a free one. Also, we got a screen protector accessories when you plan to install them on your own. Then here we got a quick info on Batman's eye, which they call it that way, but we'll show that in a bit. We also got some warranty documents. Alright, okay, additional inside is this yellow tool, which is used to open some of the phone tabs. I'll show you in a bit as well. Next is a Type-C to Type-C cable and a charging brick, which is capable of fast charging the phone. And that's all the accessories inside. So yep, this is the device. I was actually shocked after seeing this device, as it is a massive, bulky, chunky, rugged, and tough looking smartphone. But you know, it won't break even though if you drop it, right? So let's take a look at it closely. At the bottom, we got the USB Type-C port, and by the way, all the ports you'll see here are sealed since this device is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. On the left, we got the TF and SIM card slot, which you can pull the tab using just your finger, a customizable button, and the waterproof text engraved beside it. Then on the top, we only got the water-sealed earphone jack. Right side, we can see the plus and minus volume rocker button and a power button that doubles as a fingerprint sensor. The phone's build is solid. It looks like a military-grade weapon of the future, but hey, I actually dig it because it's quite unique. Now, at the back, we got the triple camera module, and beneath is the LED light. They call this the Batman edition because, as you will see, it's like Batman's face in the center, right? Then beneath, we got the DooGee logo. Alright, here's the specs. A 6.3-inch display with 2340 by 1080, 19 by 19 aspect ratio protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass. The main camera is 64 megapixel, 20 megapixel night vision camera with Sony IMX350 chip and has a f1.8 aperture. That's quite good. Second is the 8 megapixel wide camera with Samsung S5K4H7 sensor with f2.2 aperture. And the third is the macro camera with 8 megapixel as well. The DooGee S89 Pro is powered by MediaTek Helio P90 with 8GB of RAM and 256 of storage. Has NFC, Face ID, fingerprint sensor, and of course Android 12 with custom UI. And the main highlight of the device, other than the shockproof, dustproof, it can go deep for about 1.5 meter for 30 minutes, is the huge, and when I say huge, it has a 12,000 milliamp hours battery with 67 watts hypercharging capability, and also features a 15 watts wireless charging capability. Now this phone is jam-packed. The device has custom UI that only comes with 3 pre-built apps. Thank you DooGee for not installing a bunch of crap apps. By the way, most of them are functional. But in this video, we'll focus on the Batman eye. Yep, this LED light at the back can be customized. Simply tap the light effect app, and from here you can set the lighting effect from 6 choices. Each one of them has a custom lighting effect. You can change the style and color and even the speed. Some effects here are breathe, always on, left wink, right wink, wake up, and a bunch more. Don't worry, we'll show the full lighting features on our full review, so stay tuned on that. So that's our quick hands-on of the DooGee S89 Pro. And if you have some things you want to see in the full review, let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll try to include it. Once again, this is Bibo of YugaTech. Like this video if you like, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't, and make sure to hit that bell icon so you'll get notified once we upload a full review. Also, follow us on our social media account like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and once again, thanks for watching.